Hi, this is Roger, thanks for dropping by. I've just finished filming the Project Orchids video for Paphiopedilum Blackjack, and to do that I had to get it out from where it is now. Look what I found while I was lifting it out. We've got my other lovely Paphiopedilum here, yeah? Look what was tucked behind it. That's a well-developed bud that I hadn't even seen. The reason being it was sort of tucked over there behind this flower. So this has got a second bud coming which will prolong its life. It will also be useful to find out what this bloom looks like when it's just opened, because Paphiopedilums can often fade and change colours. Yeah, so yeah, I just thought I'd show you that. That was hiding. So we've now got, I would suggest, two Paphiopedilums growing quite well and blooming. Now okay, this one was in bloom. This bud would have been developing when I bought it. You know, I just hadn't noticed it basically. So yes, we will have another bloom on here, hopefully looking at the size of the bud before this one drops, so they'll be out together. So that's good. I hope the others that I've got do this well, because so far the paths that I've got seem to be doing okay. So, you know, again, you know, it's a venture. I'm going into orchids that I used to grow a long time and they didn't do well at all, and they either died or they went to somebody else. Now I'm starting again and they seem to be doing better. So some of this is contrary to what the books say in the ancient scrolls, because they tend to say they like to be warm. Well, if they're doing this well in here, it's got nothing to do with liking warmth, because they don't get it. So anyway, just thought I'd show you that. See you next time. Thanks for dropping by.